Hi, welcome to the HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Realme Q5 Pro device, and now I can show you how to enable night mode on this device. Firstly, you need to open control panel, then open settings, scroll down and find display and brightness. Here you can choose dark mode or light mode, and here you will see eye comfort mode. This is a night mode. So using this mode, you can make your screen warmer to block blue light screen. Blue light from your screen to don't damage your eyes when evening. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.